Hi, we're going to see today how we can change sales price inside Microsoft Dynamics NAV or NAV or Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Center. It's a very important features, built-in feature inside Dynamics 365 Business Center or NAV that you will like. It's very needed nowadays. So all what you have to do is very easy steps. So you go to Sales Price Worksheet or you put here in this search part, Sales Price. Okay, so you click on Sales Price Worksheet. So here you have two buttons. Either you can suggest item price on worksheet based on the last item unit price available on item card. So this is if you would like to calculate the sales price based on it. Or you can use suggest sales price on worksheet. So you can base your new sales price based on the sales price available and sales price table. This is usually what is used and we are going to cover today. So click on suggest sales price on worksheet. Here you can put your formula for filter your calculation. So either if you would like to apply this new sales price to sales price with sales type all customers or specific customer price group or campaign. In our example, I'm gonna cover all customers. You can put the unit of measure or currency code, starting date, when is this sales price is gonna be applied. Okay, so you can put ending date, only price above, so you can apply this new sales price for a specific sales price which have a price above a specific amount. If you keep it blank, it will not make any filter. The adjustment is 1.3. You can make it like 30%. If you'd like to add 30%, you put 1.3. So this is the adjustment factor. So it will multiply your sales price, the last sales price available in sales price table, by 1.3, which means 30% more. You can put rounding also. You can select rounding method. You can create new prices. So this changes. It's gonna be like a new record in sales price. Or you want, to, or you, if you remove this, it will update the last sales price available. You can also add here filter. You can select this changes for a specific item number, or you can add for any specific sales code or currency code or whatever the table field that available here. So you can have this filter available. You can change and apply this to any kind of filter that from your that you have available here. In case you would like to apply more filters, it's not available here, tell your partners so they can add certain fields for more filters also. So when you finish this configuration, you click on OK, and you will have the sales price added here. See, it's very simple. Object, you have this, the current unit price, and this is the new price calculated, 30%. You can double check yourself. It's 100% correct. So once you are done, you double check that everything is okay. You can remove, if you don't want to apply this, you can right click delete here. You can remove any records suggested. It's still inside. This is why it's called suggest sales price. Once you finish all your calculation, you can also change it yourself. Say I will put it here 1125, okay, in place of, and here 1180, sorry, 1580. So when you finish all your changes, you implement price change. You can also implement it to a specific item. You can set any filter that you would like, or if you keep here blank, you click OK, it will implement all these changes. So you click OK, the system will ask you the item price has now been updated. It's very easy in accordance with the suggested price changes. Do you want to delete suggested price change? If you click yes, it will delete these records. I click yes, so there's no more records here. If I want to double check that all these changes are really applied, I go to sales prices. You will see that I have in 19, this is, I will filter this value. So it will show me I have 1125, 1580, the one that I have implemented. This one was available before I created this. It was available here. So there is no changes for this. So to 100% correct, it's very easy to be applied. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please like the video, press on like, subscribe to my channel, keep visiting this channel to see more and more videos about Dynamics NAV and Business Center. I hope you like it. If you like it, please share it and send it to all people that they might be interested in this. And do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.